Hello everyone and welcome back to Pansy's Wonderland, and this is my video about how to make bookmarks. So first of all, I'm going to show you my bookmarks which I have made first of all. So these are the bookmarks which I have made. Some of these are colored and some of these are white. Some are vertical, some are horizontal. First one is orange, start orange color paper. Second is of mandala, and there are others search more. So this one is the latest which I have made just now before making this video. So now it's just like a partition. See, it's the latest one, and if I move here, it's just like a partition that these are the horizontal and these are the vertical. So without wasting the time, let's see which the bookmarks which we are going to do now. So these are the bookmarks which we are going to do now. Some we might be doing vertical and some might be doing horizontal. Some of these are broad, some of these are longer. So this is the colored one. These two are white, one is broad and one is really longer. See this one. And here are two black color sheets, bookmarks. So without wasting time, let's get started with our work. So for now, we are going to make a black color bookmark. The topic for it is phases of the moon. So let's get started. It will be going elegant and simple. It will be really cute. So for that we are going to need a white color pen which really cost of rupees 70 or in that range. So this is that pen. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to make a circle and color it. Now here we are going to make a half circle. Actually, some part of circle we are not going to color. We are just going to make a bumpy really small and then going to color it. Like this. Then after we have completed this, we are going to make a now here we are going to make a really perfect half moon face and color it. At last, we are going to make a crescent moon, and this is the last phase of moon. Now with the help of white color, we are going to make some stars and some dots. So it will look like it is in the space. We can also use a silver color pen, which is, my one is of Uniball. See this? We can use that and make some stars. So now we are going to make a colored bookmark. For that we are going to need a white color pen. We are going to just give a title and just decorate it. So it will be simple and also elegant. Again, sorry, this is a silver color pen. You can also use white color. So I'm going to text make. The first letter will be M. I'm going to write make happiness a habit. And you can watch in which way I'm going to write it clearly. Here I am going to make some smaller black color hearts at the downside T like a dot. And in this way we are going to just finish it. It is really simple. Your work is over. This bookmark is really pretty and elegant, as I said. If you want, you can just make a branch of lace, so it will have something more effects and it will look more pleasant. So in this way, means now we are going to make a longer one, this longer piece of bookmark. The topic is really like bordered and glass broken, something like that. Then we are going to, it's really common nowadays, border and elegant and simple and cute. Actually, this is going to take a scale only for half of work. After bordering it, we will again make some lines, and the process is something like we have to just take a scale and trace scale and make a line by keeping some distance like this, so it will look like a glass has really broken. Continue this process until you think that it looks really perfect as you wish. So here this bookmark is of watercolor, and for that we are going to need watercolor paints, cakes, and a board, means my plate. So also a thin fine brush you can use any color. I'm going to use a purple and pink color. The contrast looks really good. So at the upper part in the boxes, or we can say the shapes, not the border which we have made, leaving that, we are going to paint the pink color at the upper side. Now here I'm going to just make a line, and then we are going to mix violet color into the pink color, so it will look like it is mixed and then the grass is broken. So now we will continue the purple part downside. With the help of water, we will mix the colors. Now to fill the borders, we are going to take a golden pen, which is my one is Uniball. So this is that pen, and we are going to use it and fill or just color the borders or the lines which are left over. So now we are going to take the broad bookmark, and for now we are going to make a crystal theme bookmark. For that we have to just make some crystals like this. You can make a point and then give a effect like they are 3D. So draw some crystals. So after making the crystals, we have completed all the crystals. By the sides we have to just make a border of crystals, like this. Now we are going to take some bright colors which are really magical, like purple, pink, blue, dark blue. These are the colors which everyone likes and it looks magical. So these are let's start painting. So we are going to paint like, not going to paint like the whole crystal is of pink color. We are going to just mix some colors like this. Trace the crystal drawing and give it X. So now here we are going to complete the last one, black color bookmark. For that we are going to use colors. Actually we are going to take a cotton and we are going to give a cloudy effect. For that we are going to take white color. So like this we are going to just take cotton and give some curves so it will get a cloudy effect, just like a cloud in the sky. So here we are going to make some leaves like this with the orange color. It will look contracts orange and red looks good, so that's why I'm taking orange. And then I'm going to take the red color and join the lines with the leaf with other leaves, so it will look like something branch. And then at last I'm going to just point out the part. Now in this way I'm going to just text sunshine while after the branch is soaked up.
Hello friends, here is the end. You can like the video if you like it. Click on the subscription button to subscribe my channel, and also for new updates click on the bell icon. You can visit my channel Mandala with Tanvi. For today, bye bye.